Alright guys, as promised, here is a picture of the tool haul. $10, and I'll go over the decent stuff. So, the bag itself is decent. It's rigid. It's got a metal handle. I'm going to use this for something. Got bits loaded in the side of it. Just tape roll. Anyways, back to the tools. So the Fat Max Extreme 35 foot. Liking this. It's got a real strong recoil. This might be my go-to tape from now on. 35 footer. Okay. This is a full set of USA made Craftsman ball end hex keys. Not bad. Okay. Sears Craftsman USA 2-inch chisel. Looks in good shape. Same thing, 3/4 inch chisel. This is a no-name 1/2 inch chisel. Okay. Little Stanley 12 footer. I'll be getting that name off there. Channel lock 357. Fence pliers. I believe these are battery terminal pliers, and they're Snap-on 2090p. Older Snap-on USA. Snap-on SSD MR48 USA ratcheting screwdriver. Nice. Set of 4 USA Craftsman flat tip. Stainless. These are in great shape, by the way. And then the set of 4 in blue for the Phillips. Nice. Those look like they were never used. Craftsman USA tin snips, straight tin snips. Rigid USA 712. It's the 12-inch adjustable wrench. Ridge Tool Company. Decent shape. Got a little Energizer headlamp, and it's got the red light, which is kind of cool, and then the standard LED lights. Pretty bright too. Decent. Irwin Vice Grip standard pliers. And then these are the sliding like channel lock Vice Grip pliers. I guess you hit that button and you scoot it along there. Can't do it one-handed. A lot of Irwin stuff. This is a little Irwin stubby. It's got the bits in the end here, I'll show you. But this thing is huge. About the size of an apple. But all the bits are there. It's got a couple of Phillips flat and some Torx. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this. Let's see if I can get it. I can close that. I'll close that later. I'm not gonna bother you. Plumb bob. Looks like a cheap one. East wing pry bar. It's pretty nice. Irwin straight line. 2 small Irwin quick grip clamps. An Energizer LED flashlight, needs batteries. That looks halfway decent. This is a nice flashlight actually. Not sure of the brand, but it's going to be super bright. What else? Got a Husky needle nose, Husky angled pliers, small. It's a 6-inch Husky adjustable wrench, very smooth. Small Husky lineman pliers. Husky wire cutters. Several pry bars. This cheap Harbor Freight one. There's a standing one in the mix there. Cheap little Husky bag. And then you got all this, this is all crap, all the stuff over here. All junk. But it was in there nonetheless. $10. I'm very happy with it. Even this junk stuff I can use. You know, I can use these spreaders, the pencils. So I think these are cheapo punches there, cheap ones. But yeah, $10. I'm happy with it. So what I'm gonna do is I got a little hoard of Snap-on and Mac and higher end brands in the house. I don't use them. I just kind of collect them. I don't buy this stuff any other way unless it's secondhand and then dirt cheap. So I'll add these to the collection. I got a whole bunch of channel lock products. So, as well as Craftsman, so those will go in the stash. Keep them in decent shape, but that's it. Got the lawnmower going. I just cut the whole lawn front and back with it, no issues. So that's all I got for now. Appreciate you guys. Take care.